Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play 1 versus 1 in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access an online or offline battle space or lobby, right? Once you're right over there, it doesn't matter, but if you're in the online battles, once you're over there, you will be able to access this player matches section where you can see this waiting room. Right now you have to create your own room or space for you to play 1 versus 1 with your friends. Right now over here you can simply come over here in the online battles, simply create a room and let your friend know and add in the friend, and you will be able to do a 1 versus 1 battle. But in case if you're doing the offline battle, you can go to the offline battle section and simply go to the matches. Once you create a room, you have to connect your second controller. For that, you can choose the second controller, and then with the second controller, when it's detected and connected, you will be able to create yourself a private room, and then you can start playing. So all you have to do is simply go to the lobby and online or offline battles according to your need, and simply create yourself a room and play with your friends. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.